In the tapestry of nature, some creatures seem almost unreal, as if they've stepped out of a dream or a storybook. Their existence challenges our expectations and invites us to look closer at the wonders that surround us. The sword-billed hummingbird is one such marvel, a bird so unique it almost defies belief. With a beak longer than its entire body, this tiny bird is a living paradox, delicate and graceful, yet equipped with a tool of astonishing length and precision. Its bill, a slender rapier, can reach over 10 centimeters, while the bird itself is a mere wisp behind it, barely tipping the scales at just a few grams. This is no accident of nature. The beak is a specialized instrument, honed over countless generations for a singular, remarkable purpose. At first glance, it appears awkward, almost unwieldy, but look closer and you'll see a masterpiece of adaptation, perfectly suited to its environment. How does it fly or rest with such a beak? The answer lies in the intricate relationship between form and function, where every feature serves a purpose. The sword-billed hummingbird is a lesson in evolutionary innovation. What seems strange or improbable is often a brilliant survival strategy, shaped by the demands of its world. Its long beak is not a burden, but a key to a hidden world of nectar, unlocking resources no other bird can reach, and forging a unique partnership with the flowers it feeds from. This tiny bird, with its outsized bill, is a symbol of nature's creativity and the beauty of adaptation, a living testament to the endless possibilities of evolution. The sword-billed hummingbird's extraordinary beak is the result of a remarkable partnership with certain flowers. In the high Andes, passion flowers and others have evolved deep, tube-like corollas, hiding nectar at their base. Only the sword-billed hummingbird, with its elongated bill, can reach this sweet reward. This specialization eliminates competition and secures a private food source. The flowers, in turn, rely almost exclusively on this bird for pollination, a mutual dependence shaped by evolution. As flowers grew longer tubes, the hummingbird's beak kept pace, each driving the other's evolution. Feeding is a marvel of precision. The bird hovers, inserts its bill, and its tongue darts out to lap up nectar. Every aspect of its anatomy is fine-tuned for this task, making the beak the centerpiece of a unique partnership. The sword-billed hummingbird and its flowers are locked in a beautiful co-evolutionary dance. High in the Andes, the sword-billed hummingbird inhabits the misty cloud forests from Venezuela to Bolivia. These lush vertical gardens are draped in mosses, orchids, and ferns, thriving in cool, humid air. The forest structure provides food, shelter, and nesting sites for the hummingbird and its partner flowers. Stable, temperate conditions allow the bird to maintain its high-energy lifestyle year-round without migrating. But this habitat is fragile. Cloud forests are threatened by climate change and deforestation. As the cloud base rises, the unique zone shrinks, endangering both the bird and its flowers. Protecting these forests means preserving an intricate web of life and one of evolution's most remarkable stories. The sword-billed hummingbird, with its extraordinary beak, is a master of flight, an aerial acrobat whose every move is a display of precision and grace. It glimmers like a living jewel, darting through the misty Andes with astonishing speed and agility. Its shimmering plumage blends into the dappled forest light, camouflaging it from predators and attracting mates. By beating its wings up to 80 times per second, it hovers with ease, feeding from dangling flowers few others can reach. It can fly in any direction, even upside down, unmatched in aerial agility. Perched, it tilts its bill skyward to balance, a unique posture for this remarkable bird. Unable to use its beak for preening, it cleverly uses its feet to groom its head and neck. The sword-billed hummingbird is a jeweled marvel, nature's ingenuity, thriving high in the Andes. The sword-billed hummingbird is a keystone pollinator in its ecosystem. As it feeds, its forehead and bill are dusted with pollen, which it transfers from flower to flower, ensuring cross-pollination. Without this bird, many long-tube flowers would struggle to reproduce, risking disappearance from the forest. No other creature can reach their nectar, making the hummingbird an irreplaceable link in the chain of life. The health of these plants shapes the entire ecosystem, supporting biodiversity and preventing erosion. This specialized pollination system is highly efficient. Little pollen is wasted, and fertilization rates are high. The loss of the hummingbird would trigger a cascade of negative effects, threatening the entire cloud forest community. Protecting this relationship is essential for conserving the unique biodiversity of the Andes. The sword-billed hummingbird's role is a powerful reminder of the fragility and importance of specialized ecosystems. Specialization gives the sword-billed hummingbird an edge, but also makes it vulnerable. Its survival is tied to a handful of specific flowers. If they decline, so does the bird. Deforestation and agriculture are shrinking its habitat, erasing the flowers it depends on. Fragmented forests isolate populations, reducing genetic diversity and making survival harder. Climate change pushes cloud forests higher, creating mismatches between the bird and its food plants. If flowers bloom out of sync with the bird's breeding season, disaster can follow. Its long, delicate beak is both a marvel and a liability. An injury could be fatal. The sword-billed hummingbird's story is a warning. The traits that make a species extraordinary can also make it fragile. Protecting its future means safeguarding the delicate balance of its world. The sword-billed hummingbird is a marvel of adaptation, a testament to evolution's creativity. It's a living emblem of nature's ingenuity, perfectly designed for a unique way of life. Its existence shows how evolution crafts breathtaking solutions to survival challenges. This tiny acrobat inspires us to look closer at the world around us, to find wonder in the world's hidden complexities. Its story is about connection and the delicate balance between species. The bird's perseverance teaches us that limitations can become strengths. Its unique adaptation allows it to thrive where others cannot. The sword-billed hummingbird reminds us that specialization shapes the world in unexpected ways. Its survival depends on our willingness to protect its cloud forest home. By safeguarding its future, we preserve a piece of the planet's magic. The sword-billed hummingbird stands as a vibrant symbol of why biodiversity matters. It inspires us to cherish and protect the wonders of nature.